Welcome to our tutorial on how to create a signature in Gmail on your PC. In just a few simple steps, you'll be able to add a professional touch to your outgoing emails. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Gmail. Launch your Gmail account by visiting the official website and signing in. Step 2. On the top right corner of the screen, click on the Settings icon. It looks like a gear. Step 3. From the drop-down menu, select See All Settings. This will take you to the Settings page. Step 4. Scroll down until you find the Signature section. Next to it, you'll see the Create New button. Click on it. Now, you can let your creativity shine. Customize your signature by adding your name, job title, contact information, or any other details you want to include. You can even format your signature using various fonts, sizes, and colors. Once you're done, click Save Changes at the bottom of the page to apply your new signature to all your outgoing emails. Thank you for watching our tutorial. Subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks to enhance your Gmail experience.